Hello, my name is Mutia Murphy. I'm the first author of this paper. The title of the paper is Feasibility Analysis and Website Design of Najwa Collection Fashion Product. This article presents for the 12th International Seminar on Industrial Engineering and Management or ECM 2020. So, this is our outline today. The first one is background, next is methods, result, and the last one is conclusion. Internet is now a key and milestone. Why I can say like that? Because internet have become parts of everyone's life regardless of age or gender. Based on eMarketer data, in 2013 until 2018, internet users have reached 100 million and Indonesia is ranked 6th in the world with the most internet users. In a day, we certainly use the internet, whether for communication, seeking knowledge, or as entertainment. In addition to these activities, internet can also be used to run a business that is often known as e-commerce. In Indonesia, e-commerce has become one of the economic activities supported by internet infrastructure with extensive segmentation and implementation. According to research from the Indonesian E-commerce Association, Google Indonesia, and Tyler Nelson Softfresh, the market value in Indonesia in 2013 reached 94 trillion and prediction for the next 3 years in 2016 will reach threefold, reaching 295 trillion. This graphic display from IDEA is as much as 78% of shopping interest in internet user, namely in fashion product. This is of course will be an opportunity for the fashion business to run their business online. Najwa Collection as one of clothing industry in Bandung. The sales data show that in 2018, the increase and decrease that were not certain. This was due to the lack of market share, proper marketing, and it depends on the condition of demand and the market at that time. The owner will develop an online business to increase profit and develop current market potential. Based on the data from CB Insight, 42% of startups fail because of market needs that are not taken into account in advance. Therefore, a feasibility analysis is needed to assess whether the development of e-commerce business in Najwa Collection is feasible to run or not. Based on market, human, and financial aspect, and also this research will display the flow of information system that suit the business needs. The method used in this research consists of market aspect, technical aspect, which consists of business process model, human resource, equipment and facility, layout facility, and system planning. At the end of this research is the final results of the calculation of the feasibility analysis and sensitivity analysis. So, this is the result. First of all, I use the forecasting method to find out the projected demand for the following year. The selected method is DES alpha 0.3. And then after that, from this forecasting, I got the number for 2019. And then for the next year until 2023, I'm using this formula. And then I got the data that 16% increase is obtained from katadata.id on the projection of Indonesian digital buyers in 2017 and 2018. Next is technical aspect, where there is an increase the number of the worker. And also there are the new job for this company. There are admin, packaging, and marketing. And as you can see that this is the picture of the number of worker until 2023. Besides, the technical aspect show the design of e-commerce system based on data collection and the needs of the website, and also carry out benchmark with similar e-commerce website. This picture show the data flow diagram level 0 or context diagram is the highest in the FD, describing one large circle that can represent the entire process in the system. Data flow diagram above explain how the input from the actor to the system as well as the output from the system to the actor. This is use case diagram. Use case diagram are pattern of interaction between actor and system. Whereas actors can be human actors or non-human actors. Use case diagram that explain how each actor can carry out its activity on the website and how the relationship of activities between actors. This is the final calculation of financial aspect. As we can see from the table, this is the calculation of the final result with NPV, IRR, and PBP. The result of NPV is around 900 million with IRR 32% and PBP for 4 years. This shows that the development of e-commerce business in Najwa Collection is visible to run. Next is sensitivity analysis. The increase in direct material cost is still relatively safe if it reaches 6%. But if it occurs up to about 6.21%, it will cause a negative NPV. For the decrease in the selling price of product, it will be classified as safe if it reaches 4.8%. And the NPV will become negative. It is decreased by up to 5%. So this is the conclusion of this research. The first one, the chosen method for forecasting is double exponential smoothing at 0.3. The following year results were then calculated with an increase of 16% obtained from the increase in the number of digital buyers. New facilities to support the running of the business are added, so the total investment owned by Najwa Collection is around 195 million, and there are some additional workers. Designing a website requires expert in making website. The cost required to create a website is around 45 million. Domain and hosting payments are done once a year, and software maintenance costs for every month around 800,000 rupiah. This business is feasible to run with NPV around 900 million, PBP for 4 years, and IRR value 32%, which is more than MRR. For the sensitive analysis, that the increase is sensitive material is up to 6.21% and becomes negative when the sensitivity reaches 7%. The decline in the product prices sensitive up to 4.8% and will be negative when the selling price of the product decreases to 5%. And the suggestion for company is need to pay attention to the risk of online business, including intense competition between other online businesses, marketing systems that are not properly considered, and unmet market demand. So that's all from my presentation. I'm sorry for there is a mistake, and thank you.